how to hard reset CAPOXO X19 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. You're going to want to do this if these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth device or not pairing with your phone, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, like the left ear or the right ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you want to set these up like a new set of earbuds, this is going to wipe everything off of them. So we can go ahead and first things first, we can just wipe them off, have our devices we've had them paired with forget these X19 earbuds, because we're going to be pairing them as new. And then we're going to come in with them in the case as shown here, make sure they're charging. And we're just going to come in and press and hold this pairing button here, but we're going to press and hold it for 10 seconds. Just keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it, and you'll see these LED screens should flash 3 times, and then the lights on the earbuds themselves will flash red, green, red, green, red, green, indicating that the reset is complete. Now you can go ahead, take them out, and set them up, pair them as a new set of X19 earbuds.